student, today is learn to write spelling T to Z। आज मैं आपको T से लेके Z तक स्पेलिंग लर्न करना और लिखना सिखाती हूँ। T for tiger, T for tiger and tree, tiger Tiger, tiger, TRE, tree, U for umbrella and umpire, UMBRELLA, umbrella, UMPIRE, umpire, V for van and waist, VAN, van, VEST, waist, W for watch and bull, WATCH, watch, and WOOL, bull, X for Xmas tree and slow, fawn, XMASTREE, Xmas tree, XYLOPHONE, slow, phone, Y for yacht and yo-yo, YATCH, yacht, yo-yo, Z for zebra and zip, ZEBRA, zebra, ZIP, zip. So guys, complete your work, learn and write in your notebook and send me my WhatsApp number.